truck.
I've died and gone to heaven.
It's as big as a house! I saw it first. It's mine! I got you on the green filling!
Nick, it's one of your cookies!
You're never gonna read in school.
Ooh, I can cook that. Being small enough to eat a giant oatmeal cream pie was honestly my dream as a kid. And I think I happen to have an old shrink ray lying around here somewhere. We'll start by combining butter with molasses, brown sugar, and granulated sugar. Cream it all together, then we'll toss in baking powder, baking soda, and some salt. Once that's all mixed together, we can add in the flour and the eggs one at a time before adding in quick cooking oats. We want to use quick cooking oats in order to get a deliciously soft texture to our cookies. As soon as a thick dough ball comes together, we can scrape down the sides of our mixer and transfer the dough ball to a baking sheet lined with parchment. I made another batch of cookie right before this, so this is my second batch. Because we'll be using the shrink ray to bake the cookie, we can just spread the dough into one big cookie and let the machine do the rest. Meanwhile, we'll shrink on down to ground level to make our marshmallow filling. Combine powdered sugar with butter and marshmallow cream and then mix until crumbly. We'll want to add in milk a tiny bit at a time to bring the cream filling to a spreadable consistency. You don't need a lot, just enough to smooth it out. Finally, we can grab one of our pre-shaped cookies and spread the filling onto the center. Spread it nearly all the way to the edges before grabbing the other cookie and pressing it down on top. Now it's just time to serve. Hey, down here! Honey, I Shrunk the Kids was literally one of the defining movies of my childhood. Whether it was because I wanted to shrink down and ride on an ant, or just because I wanted Rick Moranis to literally be my dad, one thing is for sure, this oatmeal cream pie cookie has stuck with me for my entire life. And it tastes just as good as it looks in the movie. What fictional feast should I make next? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell to tell YouTube you want to be fed more delicious content. Do you ever get hungry? You can find this recipe and many more with ingredient amounts and step-by-step instructions over on thestarvingchefblog.com. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode.